Hey folks, it's Fat Daddy from Fatdaddy'S Finest Life Adventures here talking at you. We're doing a Thanksgiving experiment for trying to get together with people who are surrogate family members, and we're having our first Thanksgiving together. So we're going to give you a few things of what's going on and just show you the frivolities. We've got chicken noodles, turkey, deviled eggs, yams, all kinds of stuff. It's getting crazy. Here's our deviled eggs out here, keeping nice and cool. There's like 2.5 dozen deviled eggs. I don't know, we've had such a good time getting ready for this. I'll tell you, I'm really happy to be here. This is the most fun I've had in a long time. What's going on in here?
I'm from Dallas. They're down 6-14 against Raiders.
Thanksgiving tradition, football from hell.
Now, you know what? I'll take the goddamn Detroit. I think, my bad. Detroit ain't won a game all year.
Are you serious?
No, they ain't.
Yeah, did you already get a recommended? What do you think? Probably, no, did you?
Listen, that's all we can.
Ellen, what? Did you get a recommended?
I need a fucking cigarette.
Is that why she's sick?
A cigarette.
No.
Oh, that was perfect, and now you gotta run away.
I don't like when you do that little vibe thing. Yeah, it doesn't make too much noise.
I think everything's handled. You got stuff in it.
Lots of stuff going on here, boys and girls. What a beautiful guitar. Everybody's having a good time. Music everywhere. Let's see what's going on over here. Now who's playing?
Yes.
Oh, there we go. Play something you know. Everybody's chowing down. Everybody got to play the blues. Oh my God, look at that. Yeah, everybody's here. Everybody's here.
Did you get turkey?
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Well, folks, another great night. This has probably been one of the better Thanksgivings. The house is now full of musicians. We've been playing, trading back and forth our music for probably a good 2 hours now. I think I've about had enough, but it's been a great night, and I hope you all enjoy this video. And this is Fat Daddy's Finest Life's Adventures signing off.